Imagine writing without a keyboard hard. Right in 1868, Christopher Latham Sholes invented the practical typewriter. Before this, writing was done by hand, which was slow and tiring. Sholes' machine used keys to strike letters onto paper quickly and efficiently. His invention transformed offices and schools, paving the way for modern typing. Even today, keyboards are based on his early design. If you've ever typed a document, follow 4 more simple invention stories.